Can't decline incoming calls from your iPhone lock screen? Don't worry, here's how you can quickly reject calls right from the lock screen on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone running with latest iOS 26. So start by using the quick controls. When you get a call on your lock screen, simply double press the side button to instantly decline the call and send it to voicemail. But if this shortcut isn't working for you, you need to check the settings that control this feature. So just from your settings, go to accessibility and from touch, scroll down and you will find this prevent lock to end call option. If this is turned on, your iPhone won't let you decline calls using the side button. So you must have to make sure this option is turned off. Now try again. When you receive an incoming call, double press the side button and you will see the call instantly decline. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.